Hi guys, welcome to Karmakar's Kitchen with me Shruti. So today's recipe is a very popular quintessentially Bengali delicacy. It's Lau Chingri. Many of you already know how to make it. There are a number of versions of Lau Chingri. However, today I am sharing my way of making it and the one my family loves. So let's get started. Heat a pan or a karai and into it add mustard oil about 3 tablespoons and make it nice and hot. The oil is hot now. I'm adding prawns. Here I have got about 18 to 20 descaled and deveined prawns, seasoned with salt and turmeric and been marinating for 15 minutes. Goes into the karai. Fry lightly for about 2 to 3 minutes. Done frying, now transfer in a bowl and save it for later use. Add some more oil in the same karai or pan, about 2 tablespoons. I'm not using too much of oil in this recipe, but feel free to add more oil. Now here I'm adding some thinly sliced onions, about half a cup. Saute it nicely on a medium flame or until it turns translucent. It's time to add ginger garlic paste, about 1 teaspoon, and saute until the raw smell of ginger garlic is gone. This recipe can be made without onion and ginger garlic, but that's another version. My family loves this style of Lau Chingri and it tastes great. Once the onions and ginger garlics are blended well, add some powdered spices, starting with red chili powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, and turmeric powder half teaspoon. Combine it well. Add a splash of water if the spice is turning too dry. Water will prevent the spice from burning. Now add tomatoes. Here I have chopped 1 small tomato. Mix it well with the spices. Add salt to taste. Salt will help to make tomatoes mushy. Tomatoes have become quite mushy and it's the perfect time to add our bottle gourd. Here I have got about 400 grams of bottle gourd, also known as Lau or Lauki, cut in cube size. Toss it into the pan. Combine it well with all the spices. If the lau is fresh, it will be tender in no time. But this lau isn't very fresh, therefore I have to cover and cook for 2 to 3 times. Sprinkle some salt over the bottle gourd. It will help release water and to make it more tender as well. Now cover and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes over medium flame. After about 15 minutes, we can see lau has released some water, but it's not enough because it's not very fresh, as I mentioned before. Therefore, I'm adding little bit of water, just about half a cup. Also adding 2 green chilies, slit at one end. Cover and cook again for about 15 to 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, remove cover and check the doneness. The bottle gourd looks quite tender now. It is soft and cooked thoroughly. It's time to toss the fried shrimps and combine it well with the bottle gourd. We are almost done here. Do try this recipe at home. You will enjoy it, I'm sure. Finally, add some chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, just handful, and give it one final good mix. Lau Chingri is ready. Cover and off goes the flame. Give it a standing time of 2 minutes. Serve Lau Chingri hot with some steamed rice. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a like, share, comment and also subscribe my channel. I'll see you next week with a new one. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.